Facebook family and friends. This is Antoinette, and I'm coming to you with a quick update on my snake plant. Another plant that I worked on last year, and there is a video for, well, when I think I repotted it and stuff, but it is absolutely beautiful. It has been growing for me. Um, see? Isn't that nice? I just wanted to give you an update on this plant. It is about, I don't know, maybe 3.5, 4 feet tall now. And it just keeps growing upward, which I guess that's what it's supposed to do. And yeah, so that's a quick update. I wanted you to see it. Have a wonderful day. Remember to love someone, give them a kiss, and appreciate the small things. Um, Also, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell when you want to be notified of when I update new videos. All right? Take care. Have a wonderful day. God bless.